Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef ribs in the oven. First, select about 3 to 4 pounds of beef ribs, either short ribs or back ribs. It's crucial to remove the thin membrane from the bone side. This simple step ensures your ribs will be incredibly tender. Next, apply your favorite dry rub generously, covering every inch. Let them rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature to absorb those wonderful flavors before cooking. Now, let's get those ribs cooking. Preheat your oven to a low 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the seasoned ribs, bone side down, in a sturdy roasting pan. Add about 1 cup of liquid, like beef broth or apple cider, to the bottom of the pan. Cover the pan very tightly with aluminum foil. This creates a steamy environment. Roast them slowly for about 2.5 to 3 hours until they are incredibly tender. After their slow roast, it's time to add that irresistible finish. Carefully remove the foil and drain any excess liquid from the pan. Now, crank up your oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Generously brush your favorite barbecue sauce all over the ribs, ensuring a good, even coating. Pop them back into the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes, basting them once halfway through until the sauce is beautifully caramelized. The final, crucial step for perfect ribs is resting. Once out of the oven, let those magnificent ribs rest for a full 10 minutes. This allows all the delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making every bite incredibly moist and flavorful. After resting, simply slice them between the bones into individual portions. Serve your perfectly cooked, tender, and saucy beef ribs immediately with your favorite sides. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.